Hi friends, I'm Paul, host of Animal Adventures with Paul Flotron, Dr. Doug Bernikoff, and Cindy Vickers. I encourage you to join us this Friday, the 7th, from 4 to 5 Central Time on WGNU 920 AM. Animal Adventures has a real treat for you. We have, as our wonderful special guest, we have Lisa Mills, who's with the St. Louis National Horse Charity Show. The show is all about charities and organizations that make a difference in the lives of animals, people, and society. So please tune in. Again, Friday the 7th from 4 to 5 Central. Join us live streaming www.wgnu920am. We'll see you Friday.